Okay, this is one of the segments, maybe the last one. So, look how beautiful. Look how beautiful. Very professional. Before you glue in this, you sew in the silver plate, or it could be copper plate, whatever you feel like working with. This is the front. So I want you guys to know this is my very first, well, yeah, I think it is my very first belt buckle. I've made belts before and sold them for $200. These are going to be gorgeous. Okay, real quick. Just to finish up. Now I'm going to, of course, I glued this, and then I did put some glue on the other side between this and the metal part. You don't need a lot. I just didn't want to depend on my bezel here. I wanted to make sure it was well glued in and secure. Although this frame would have kept it probably. I don't like taking chances. So now I'm gonna, I love this. Just love this. Making this stuff is just incredible. And now I'm watching these marquetry that's using veneer woods, and you're going to be seeing, I'm going to be making veneer, very exotic wood belt buckles, and it will be enhanced with stones and silver. Oh my God, it never ends. Thank God for creation. Yeah, so I want to get this. Now look, see? That's going to be bent over. Veneers are gorgeous wood, pieces of wood, slices, thin slices of wood from exotic trees all over the world. And oh my God, they are gorgeous. And now, okay, so, oh, and then first, because that belt buckle is slightly beveled, you have to just bend it, and now bend it over. Of course, I'm watching my Beverly Hillbillies. I just watched Andy Griffin. And my God, it brings me back to the innocent days. We are so far beyond the innocent days. We're like beyond recovery. With AI and social media, we are beyond. I don't know. Maybe there's hope. I'm counting on the young people in the world to wake up and be innocent. Oh, wow, that's nice. Okay. And now everything's finished. So carefully with pliers. I'll go over this again. I mean, after I turn the video off, I want to make sure everything, maybe 2 or 3 times, to make these marks even more pronounced. And that's the idea. Lucy is staring out the window. And that is a beautiful belt buckle. Now, next video is going to be a big, huge belt. You'll see that. And I tried before to take the camera off. Wait. Okay. Let's see if we can get Lucy. My love. Lucy? Luce. All I have to do is put this in her face. And she's gonna come around. Come on, Lucy. Lucy. Baby. Say hello to your friends. Come on. There she is. My baby. See, I gotta wake her up. And she's gonna cause all the trouble that I want. Baby. Bye, everybody.